unique, incredible. So we have to use here the article. A specific person or thing already spoken about. There are a pain. In this specific person or thing already spoken about, now there is a pen there. It is the pen I want. See, here use a pen. Why did the use here? Because again and again the noun is repeated. That's time we have to use here the. We have to avoid the article. Next time, after that we have to use the. Sheila has a cat. There is a pen there. It is the pen I want. Means that is the thing already spoken. That's why we have to repeat again. We are going to speak about that pen. That's why we have to use here the. Sheila has a cat. Sheila has a cat. Specific cat. The cat has a blue eyes. The cat. She is talking about that cat. That's why the cat has blue eyes. It means she has to show the cat eyes are blue. That same cat. A noun that is being shown specifically. Example, that is the bus I came in. He is the man who helped me. The man I saw. The man helped me. He is that person. My mom bought me the toy I wanted. My mom bought me the toy I wanted. We use the when we write or talk about a person or thing. When we use the, we are talking about the person or thing of which there is only one. Special, the sky, the moon, the sun. These are the universal, the Ganga. So we have to use the before that specific noun, particular or universal thing these are. Let us solve the exercise. Read the sentences and fill in the blanks with the correct articles. Relina had bought dash dash sofa from dash dash furniture store. So we have to write here answer. Relina had bought a sofa from the furniture store. Second, the dash dash prince lived in dash dash palace in Tokyo. The prince, we have to write here, the prince lived in a palace in Tokyo. Third, they decided to go for dash dash picnic on dash dash weekend. They decided to go for a picnic on the weekend. Last, fourth one, dash dash mayor inaugurated dash dash new theme park. The mayor inaugurated a new theme park. We have to write here a new theme park. Fifth one, dash dash apple helps to keep dash dash doctor away. An apple helps to keep the doctor away. Sixth number, dash dash owl hoots near dash dash window every night. An owl, because owl sound or later first come vowel sound pronouns, that's why we have to write an. Owl hoots near the window every night. Now all of you, did you understand these articles? Write this, fill in the blanks in your textbook, complete the textbook and write in your notebook. Okay dear students, complete it.